Welcome to flooringdubai.com, where innovation meets interior style. In today's video, we're revealing the freshest flooring trends of 2025 that are shaping homes and commercial spaces across Dubai. Let's explore what's underfoot this year. Wide plank wood looks. 2025 is all about scale and simplicity. Wide plank floors, in oak, ash, or walnut finishes, make rooms feel open, luxurious, and calm. Perfect in both real wood and vinyl formats. Matte and textured finishes. Glossy is out, matte is in. Textured laminates and matte tiles are trending for their natural, low-shine appeal. They feel softer, look modern, and resist visible scratches. Herringbone and chevron patterns. Want a designer edge? Go for herringbone or chevron layouts in wood or tile. They add depth, movement, and visual sophistication to living rooms and hallways. Stone-look porcelain tiles. Love marble but need durability? Porcelain tiles with stone effects offer timeless elegance with easier care, ideal for Dubai's modern villas and kitchens. Sustainable and eco-friendly options. More homes are going green. Recycled wood flooring, cork, bamboo, and low VOC vinyls are trending. Stylish, smart, and better for the environment. Ready to refresh your floors? These 2025 trends offer the perfect mix of style, performance, and innovation. Explore them all at flooringdubai.com, where your dream floor is just one click away. Like, follow, and subscribe. For more flooring inspiration and expert tips,